Welcome to our channel. Today I want to show you how to clean the buzzer, which is the sound speaker in the Samsung Galaxy A02s phone. So, the first thing we need to do is make sure the phone is turned off. If the phone is on, we need to turn it off. Secondly, we need a brush with flexible bristles. The bristles should be soft or medium hard, otherwise you might scratch your phone. And besides that, we need 100% pure isopropyl alcohol so it can first soften the dirt and then evaporate completely, leaving no trace behind. Otherwise, the speaker would get clogged again, which would make the whole cleaning pointless if we didn't have such alcohol. And you can buy the brush and diffuser as a set on Allegro or Amazon. And if you don't have one, you can try using a regular toothbrush. Just make sure the bristles are soft or medium, otherwise you'll scratch your phone. Since we've already turned off the phone, we moisten the toothbrush with isopropyl alcohol thoroughly. And if you don't have a diffuser, just dip it into the container with the alcohol. Take your phone. The buzzer is right here. These holes are for the buzzer. We clean each of these holes either individually or just depending on what kind of toothbrush you have, 5, 6, even 10 strokes in one direction. Then do the same in the other direction. You just need to make sure it's cleaned in every direction. And please repeat this process 2 or 3 times in each direction so that the buzzer is thoroughly cleaned and works like new. Once you've done 10 times in each direction, a few times in every direction, you can also move it sideways. Because sometimes the holes on the sides are also dirty, so make sure to clean each of those holes sideways as well, and then do the same on the other side. That way we'll have a perfectly cleaned buzzer. After the procedure, set the phone aside for about 10 or 15 minutes to let the isopropyl alcohol evaporate, and then you can turn the phone on and use it as normal. That's all for today. Thank you very much for your attention. I'd appreciate a thumbs up, likes, subscriptions, and see you in my next video.